This is our T-shirt entrepreneurship video assignment, team number 16, by myself, Steve Knopp, Chris Farrow, and Kelsey. After brainstorming many activities and T-shirt ideas that we could do, we decided to settle on having a Bucky on the back with a tuxedo shirt on the front. However, instead of just having the traditional white and black tuxedo, we decided to spice it up a little bit and add some red in there. We also did get approval from Wisconsin that we could trademark a little Bucky on the back. The price was a little pricey at $27, but it is well worth your cost, and I hope to see as many people wearing this on campus as possible. It is available in many sizes, from large, medium, to even XL. Thank you.
I'm Chris Wills, and I'm going to share with you what we learned. So for our targeted segment of customers, we wanted to target males who are fans of UW-Madison athletics and Badger sports. So we tried to reach them through word of mouth by talking to people, our peers and our friends and classmates, and people who we knew were interested in Badger athletics. So it worked to focus on a small customer segment because a larger one would have been hard to target and reach, but it was also difficult to find customers within this small segment. Also, using the trademarked Bucky and W ended up being expensive, and students who are fans of Badger athletics found this too pricey. So a few more things we learned and advice for future T-shirt entrepreneurs or future projects is to choose a simple design. I think choosing a simple design, you can market it easily and pick a large target market. Make sure your friends and family like the design so you know people will be interested in your design. Try to get the T-shirt under $15. Most people don't want to pay more than $15 for a T-shirt because that is really a high price for a T-shirt. Don't use any athletics trademarked designs like the Bucky or Emotion W because it makes it too expensive. And stay on top of the project because the deadlines approach very fast. Another key point we found was that customer segmentation is tricky, and it ended up being easier for us to pick a small segment to focus on. Thank you for watching our video.